Hi, I promised you an update about the 3D print part I made for the throttle body of my Peugeot 508, and as you can see what happened, we got here around 40 degrees Celsius in the summer, and now it's the end of the summer, and I had a very long drive, and fault codes start popping up, and then the engine turned itself into limp mode, which limited the boost. So I checked the faults, and it all was about the air mixer, and I thought I should check the part I made, and as you can see, it got deformed from the heat, and I guess the material I used is not very good. It's not very durable in the heat, but I will use other material and check it out for the next summer. But it lasted for about a year, so it will be pretty good, I guess, in more durable material. So now I'll replace it to a new one until I get a new printed item. Okay, I used the same one, like the old one that broke. Maybe I will print it with ASA, I don't know. Now, after a small drive, I will start up the engine again, and I guess it will erase the faults. Great. Okay, we are back again with the 508 with the plastic lever that broke. Now I got a new design with ASA. It has been about a month since I replaced it with the old second copy I had of from the PETG. So we will see how it went since then, and I will replace it with a new one. The same job as it was, a few bolts. Okay, 2 clips of the wiring harness, 2 connectors, and 1 clamp. It seems that after a month the PETG survived, but I will replace it, of course. It broke easily. And let's put it back together.
I don't have much to show you over here because it's the same process and I already uploaded the full video about this problem, so just enjoy the quick time lapse here.